Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options in Play video update. I've talked about the 8 EMA 20 simple catch-up trade before, right? If you have followed some of my videos in the past, definitely one of my favorite strategies for swing trades after big moves. All right, so just very quickly, 8 EMA 20 simple. So it's the EMA, the 8 EMA, so 8-day EMA, the 20-day simple. Basically what I'm looking for is when a stock has a very sharp move, you see the 8 EMA join initially, right? Whether the stock is up or down, I'm looking for that 8 EMA to catch up, kind of put it either like a floor, right? If it's breaking out. So I want that 8 EMA to provide an initial floor, and then I want that 20 catching up to provide the upward pressure, okay? If it's the opposite, if a stock got crushed, then I want that 8 EMA catching up overhead to provide a ceiling. And then when that 20 catches up, I want it to provide the downward pressure to set up like the next leg down or the breakdown, right? So Beyond Meat, all right. This is a name that I'll admit didn't catch it in January. Missed the boat on this huge move higher out of this really tight consolidation. But what was interesting to me is when it pulled back. So here you can see. Let me zoom in a little bit before I come back out. So when it pulled back into like the mid single digits, so like the 104, 105, 106 area, and the reason is because yes, it lost the 8 EMA, but it got down into the 20, right? So with like a huge move like this, I'm looking for that 8 EMA to initially provide support, right? I want to put like a floor on the stock, really start to generate a higher base for like that kind of like, parabolic pattern, right? And then when that 20-day catches up, I'm looking for that 20-day, so the combination of the 8 EMA and the 20 simple to provide like that upward pressure to really set up the next leg higher, right? So you have the 8, you have the 20. Now joining is what you'll notice is that the stock has just been kind of like gradually moving higher, and really what I want to see is the volume participation and push up through like the 128, 129, 130 area, and that could really trigger like that next big move, right? But right now it's kind of fallen into that category of the 8-20 catch-up trade. Really one of like my favorite swing patterns, right? And just to kind of like show you in the past, like where this has played out before, right? So when was the last time Beyond Meat kind of went parabolic, right? It was after the earnings in June of last year, right? What happened? Huge move. 8 EMA catches up, starts to provide a higher floor, right? And then you can see right here when the 20 catches up, so it's the 20 simple, what happens? The stock starts to get that upward pressure and it triggers like the next move higher, right? I mean, I'm not saying it's going to go and retest the high from here, but I'm just saying that there's a similarity in the pattern, right? I mean, that was basically 50, 60 points above where it's at right now. So I'm not saying it's going past the 200. I mean, it'd be great if it did. But what I'm saying is that this pattern has already played out once in this stock over the last year, and now you're starting to see it set up again. So that's why I'm really interested in Beyond Meat. Even though I did miss the January move, I'm still interested in here, and it's because of that setup, right? So again, what I really want to see now is like a stronger participation move through 128, 129, 130, and that should really set up like the next major leg higher. All right. So if you like these videos and you're looking for more information on options education, options trading, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. All right. Hope you guys have a fantastic night, and I will talk to you all soon.